Hello guys, welcome to Ranya Motors. This is Umar from Ranya Motors. Today I'm showing you some high cars with a low fuel consumption, petrol engine, very nice. Like this one, I have Mitsubishi Outlander 208 model in UBL number with sport trim, side indicator and low profile tires. Let me show you inside this car. And this car is like new 2000cc family friendly car with multimedia steering, and it has a gear shifter also with 114,000 mileage only. And this gear shifter, if you want to drive manual, you put there in manual gear and you can switch gears. And it also have 2-wheel 4-wheel option, so you can change to 2-wheel 4-wheel, even you can put them to lock, as you can see from here. You see interior is very clean, even from behind. You show them from here also. This one is 208 model, 5-seater, black interior, very clean car. And these high cars, too many people like this car in Uganda, because Ugandan roads, they are not very well. So even these cars, you can take them to village, mountain area, they don't disturb. You see body wise, it's like new car. Come, I show you from boots. This one is a 5-seater car, so you see, even you can put down this one, you can sit here without any problem. And you see boot space, even you can fold those seats, you will get even more space. You see interior, very clean. And these cars are very cheap here in Uganda. Even you can fold them, those seats from here. Let me show you. You see, behind very clean, UBL number, very new number. My number is here if you want to contact me, 0708 170 476. Ranya Motors, opposite City Oil, Nakaba, if you want to visit me. And you see this side also, show them very clean. And these cars, if you bring me like 60% first, I can give you, then remaining I will give you like 6 months. You pay slowly. So if you want this car, contact me on my number 0708 170 476. You see, it has side indicator with mirrors and sport trims. Color is also very clean. And this car is 208 model, 2000cc, petrol engine, fuel consumption very good. And now let me show you some other cars, same as this one. Like I have Toyota Regius, high car, Toyota Nova, and I also have Prado in cheap price. And some other small cars, like even I have commercial cars, Hijet, Townes in cheap price. I also have Harrier 208 model, 205 model in very cheap price. So if you want to buy some car, I have my number on screen. You call me. And if you want to visit, I'm located opposite Kawa City Oil. And let me show you this DGS. Very cheap price, 2.7 liter petrol engine. And you see UAL number, but it's like a new car. You see outside, color is very nice, genuine color, very beautiful. Let me show you from inside. This one is 98 model, 4-wheel drive, very beautiful car from inside. From outside, fuel consumption is nice. You can take it to village, mountain area. In Uganda, people take this car for villages. They go on rides. You see, this car, it has sofa seats, like sofa. You can even change direction for these seats, but they are very clean. You see, and this car provides you with sunroof in front, in back also. These cars are very cheap at Ranya Motors Uganda Limited. And this car is a DGS IS from Toyota. You see boot space, very big boot space, and even you can pull these seats behind, so you get even more space in front. You show there in front, you see this space, and see it's very beautiful with sunroof, 2-wheel 4-wheel option, automatic, 98 model, very cheap at Rania Motors, Uganda Limited. And these are genuine cars, not repaired, no accident. And we also buy used car which are in good condition, like no accident, not engine repaired. So I buy those cars. So if you have some cars you want to sell, you want to make butter, we can do that. You just need to come at Rania Motors, opposite City Oil, Makawa, or you can call us 0708 170 476. That one is Airtel number. Then I have Toyota Nova new. If you want 4-wheel, it is available at Rania Motors, 2011 model, silver color. Then I also have black in 2-wheel. The silver is 11 model with the rolling seats, you see, with digital number plate. Then I have black one, 2009 model, 2-wheel drive with sport trim. This one is 2-wheel, 2009 model, those old shape. Then let me show you some other cars. I have this Prado 2.7 liter, same engine as that DGS, very clean. It's 4-wheel drive and petrol engine. They are mostly okay in Uganda. I buy those cars which are very okay. So this car is also available at Rania Motors, very cheap price but very good condition. Very beautiful car available at Rania Motors. So I hope you like this video. If you like, share with your friends, your family members who want to buy some car. Even let me show you some new cars here. You see, I also have small cars, new one. This one is 1.5cc, 29 model, Ractis, digital number plate, white color. I have Rumian here. In Uganda, people like Rumian very much. You see, this one is here, 2010 model from Japan with a digital number plate, black color, 2010, 1.5cc, new car, Japan use only. Available at Rania Motors. Even I have Mark X 208 model, UBL number, 2.5cc, very strong car. People like these cars because they have too much power. Even I have Hilux here, 2000 model, 2000cc petrol engine, very beautiful car and very cheap. And this one is Toyota Hilux, very strong car, hard body. People call this car hard body Toyota. You see these tires, they are like new, Dream, and you see very strong. And these cars are not accident, no engine repaired, no gearbox repaired, very new, like from Japan. Then I have Toyota Surf here, 2.7 liter also, same engine as Prado, Regius, but strong. This one is Aika and very cheap. These cars you can get in very cheap in Uganda, you know, and the cheapest you can get on Rania Motors, on Banja. If you have cash, that one is very good. If you don't have, you can bring 60% and pay remaining in slowly. There is some period of time. You see, this car is a 2000 model also, petrol engine, 2.7 liter, very strong. Same as this one I have here, Subaru Impreza 2009 model, very new, UPN number, very cheap. Then I also have Super Custom UPD 97 model, very clean. That one is diesel, 3000cc, 4-wheel drive, very cheap. And this one is Hilux, Super Custom Hilux. In Uganda, people buy these cars. Those are old folks. They want to drive, they want to enjoy these cars. So they buy, they put their family inside and go to their village, mountain area. So That's why they buy. And these cars are very cheap at Ranja Motors. You contact me on my number 0708 170 476. I hope you like this video. Share this one with your family, your friends, and if you want to buy some car, you can come here opposite of me, opposite City Oil, Nikawa. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.